So, guys, when I say Jamaicans are the most respectful and the best people to associate with, trust me, because let's listen to this conversation in the US of a Jamaican man and you will trust me.
Welcome.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Malcolm, you have 4 different registrations.
Yes, sir. I did register and insure 2 cars that I wasn't driving. It was somebody else driving it.
So you're responsible. You know that.
Yes, I know.
As soon as you put your signature down, you are
I
responsible.
tried to help, but they wasn't considering
If you're,
my driving record.
if you're that free with your signature, I got a couple of promissory notes here. I'll have you sign, right? Okay. The parking during an emergency, was your car towed?
Yeah, it was a snow ticket. What happened? I park in my driveway, so then we shovel the road, this street side, clear it, back out the car, put it there, shoveling out the yard now. Went in my basement. When I come back up, the car is gone.
I got the whole thing, okay? It was in January. There was a big snowstorm.
Yes, sir.
I got it. There's a lot of snow.
And I wasn't on
Big
the
mounds
street.
of snow.
I go on the street after when I clean the street.
Forget all that. Was your car towed?
Yes.
That's what I want to know. Right? Everything else is unimportant.
Yes, sir.
Right? I'm going to dismiss the ticket.
Thank you, sir.
So they towed your car, charged you $100. Then they gave you a $100 ticket as well.
Sir.
And you says, what's going on here? First they towed my car. I'm shoveling the snow.
When I come out,
It's all God's fault. He put all this snow here. Where are you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
So it doesn't snow where you are?
No.
Does it snow in Jamaica?
No.
When's the last time it snowed in Jamaica?
Never.
Never?
I always wear T-shirts and stuff. Good weather.
How long you been in this country?
I've been here like 20 years now.
Oh, well, you're like a native. You know about the snow now.
Yes.
I mean, if you say I was only here a month, I didn't know about snow. 20 years. I see you're wearing a necklace and you got a photograph. So who's that?
Yes, this is His Imperial Majesty, Haile Selassie, the Kings of Kings in Ethiopia. Yeah.
King of Ethiopia?
Yes, Kings of Kings. He was crowned Kings of Kings
Okay,
in 1930.
I'm only asking out of curiosity. You can say I prefer not to discuss it. But is there a special reason why you would be wearing that?
Yes, because I'm a Rastafarian, and that's my culture. He's someone who I look up to.
Okay.
Yes.
All makes sense to me.
Yes, sir.
I broaden my horizons by asking these questions.
Yes.
Right? So, for you to have that kind of faith in someone and
yes,
acknowledge their greatness, I think is wonderful.
Yes, I'm a vegan, and I try to be as positive as I can.
Well, you make a great appearance before the court. You're very respectful. So
yes, sir. Thank you.
Your country should be proud of you.
Yes, sir.
This is your country now, right?
Yes, I'm here now. I'm a U.S. citizen now.
Oh, congratulations.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. The tickets, they were $180. I'm going to waive all the penalties. It's going to cost you $60.
Yes, sir.
So it's going to cost you a total of, let me see, $160
Okay.
for these tickets.
Yes, sir.
Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. And I could organize payments.
We'll put you on a payment plan.
Yes.
Talk to Alyssa. She's very generous.
All right. Thank you, sir.
What's up, my good people? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen, and thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, today I'm just going to cover this interesting session of this Rastafarian is Jamaican, a Rastaman in the US, and he had a session with Judge Capio. Judge Capio was actually one of the best. All his sessions were very interesting. Those sessions that you wouldn't want to miss to watch all of them. He passed away last year, but his legacy is still there. He left a mark, he left history. So listening to this Rastaman handling the situation very calmly. He handled the whole situation with so much respect, so much calmness. And when we talk about being a Jamaican, this is what we always say or we always talk about. We always say that Jamaicans are uh, the most calm people, the most interesting people that you can associate yourself with. Not talking about just the people. I know what people know about Jamaica is the beauty, the nature, and all that. It's a tourist attraction country, but then we have the people themselves, the people of Jamaica, Jamaicans themselves. These people are the most friendly people you can ever associate with. You can't even compare Americans to Jamaicans because very huge difference. When we talk about a Jamaican, it's someone, you know, whom you would just meet for the first time ever, but you would talk with them like you have known them before. When you try to say hello to someone in Jamaica on the streets, it's so simple, it's so easy as compared to the US. Jamaicans are more of African, in their culture, they are more of African, the way they do their things, it's more of African. And the reason is being most of them are actually of African ancestry. Most Jamaicans, especially the black Jamaicans. When we talk about Jamaicans, we have different kind of Jamaicans. We have white Jamaicans, we have Chinese, we have Indians, and all that. And most of all, we have uh, the black Jamaicans. Those are the most people with the largest percentage of Jamaicans that exists. But people confuse that and say that Jamaica is actually a black country. It's not necessarily a black country just because the largest percentage is black. We also have whites there. We also have Chinese. We also have Indians and many others that have contributed to the growth of Jamaica economy, the culture, and everything. So when we talk about these people, they have learned to live together as one. That's why we have that the the country motto that out of many, one people. That is Jamaica for you. Out of many, one people. We have different people that have come together. They have been joined by one language. They have Patois and they also have English. But Patois is more spoken in Jamaica. And a lot of people actually are trying to be like most of these Rastas in other countries. A lot of people are trying to emulate them because they know being a Rasta man, it comes with a lot of good things. They live healthy. They are good people, positive people, good energy, and all that. And when you come to other countries like Africa or any other place, you will find someone who is trying to be a Rasta man. It's not just because they have been to Jamaica or they have associated with a Rasta man. No, it's just because they have been listening to what's happening in Jamaica, what's going on, the music, the vibes, and they loved it and they call themselves Rasta people. They love the vibe and all that. So this man in court has actually showed us that being a Jamaican, despite the fact that he has become a US citizen, he still has that his Jamaican roots with him. He still speaks just like a Jamaican. He hasn't changed his accent for a bit. If it was like a Kenyan who has gone to America, a few days later they change their accent, they start speaking like, black Americans. And that is something that Jamaicans cannot do. they embrace their culture to the end. They are proud of it and they walk with it everywhere they go. So guys, kindly let me know what you think about this video. Let me know in the comment section if you're a Jamaican. Let me know what you feel about this. Give me your comments about being in Jamaica or your experience in Jamaica or your experience with Jamaicans. Even if you have not visited Jamaica, you have an experience with some of them. They are very, very good people. They are very good people to live with and to stay with. So guys, kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed. And thank you so much for watching up to this point. See you in my next one. They are very good people to live with and to stay with. So guys, kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed. And thank you so much for watching up to this point. See you in my next one.